Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to back up and save projects in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, just press the Ctrl plus S. Then here, go to the file or click the Save Projects to save changes. And to enable a live save and project backups, just go to DaVinci Resolve and Preferences and click the User and click the Project Save and Load. And then here, you can enable the project backups just in the same preference window. Just click and check the project backups and see how you can set often it creates a backups in every 10 minutes or hourly or daily, and then click save and restart resolve for it to apply. Then to export an external project backup, you can have a saved copy of your project file. Just go to file and go to export project, choose a location and save as DRP. And this is great for sharing projects or restoring later. And to restore or import a project, if you have backed it up before, go to File and Import Project. And that's how you back up and save projects in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.